Good morning, May 2nd, 2025, and there's a theft suspect down on the freeway that all the news copters are right above. Well, that's a nice formation they make, isn't it though? Gee, it's not noisy or anything either.
Did they say it was a fatality?
No, it's a theft suspect. I'm going to peek at it on TV. We've got it on the TV. There it is. That's what's happening right down around the corner from us. The suspect. They've got him laid out on the ground up there already. Oh, and they've got the traffic all stopped out there and everything. That's the eastbound 210 that's completely shut down. Oh, and there goes one of the copters. Ooh, what excitement for the day here. Oh yeah. Good stuff. I guess y'all can see these. There's one, two. Now they're all up there. There's 3, 4. All right, that's probably enough of that.